everyone, welcome to my channel Quick Learn. In this video, I will tell you about the best websites for beginners to practice coding. For practicing coding, you need some websites which will be helpful for you to practice coding each and every day so that you are best in coding. Let us see in detail about the video. Why do we need these coding websites? For an example, learning to code is a very difficult task. That is, if you are in a school or college or in a training place, they'll be giving you a training and they'll guide you where to start, where to end, and how to code and how to process with each and everything. But when you learn on your own, that is from books or from online sources, will not result much. You'll have some confusions, you'll have how to start, how to end, and how to start a coding interest and how to start coding. So for these things, these websites will help you in a very important thing. Practicing codes every day will help you improving you in a very lot amount of ways. Each and every day, if you practice one or two codes, it will be helpful for you for a long future. Where do these help? These websites, as you're practicing code, will it be helpful in any other ways? You'll have a question. So beginners require more practice in order to learn programming. The first thing that where it will help is you learn that programming language in a very deeper manner. So you'll be able to solve any code that is given. Compete in contests. That is, in these websites, there will be some contest which will be conducted and you can attempt in it, and there will be some rewards or whatever it is. You'll increase your coding skills and your time management will increase, and you'll be getting prepared for your interviews. In your interviews, there will be some coding contests also, and maybe in the MCQ part also you'll have some questions related to programming languages. So you'll be prepared for your interviews side by side, and you can also join top companies where in these websites you'll also have some contest which will be directly picking up into your top companies, so you'll be directly hired. Let us see these websites. There are some few websites like HackerRank, HackerEarth, Geeks for Geeks, Lead Code, CodeChef. Here all you can have some contests, you'll have practice questions, and you'll have some discussion parts where you can learn things, and there'll also be some courses like they'll give in an order to make you learn. So you can refer these websites for free, and there'll be a little one or two websites which will also be paid. You need not have those, but you can also try those if you are eligible. Next is the paid website. Top Coder is a website which is a paid website. You can refer it if you want, or else you can go on with these free websites. This will be very helpful for you to increase your coding skills a lot. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.